Here's the first one. We open with a wide shot of a misty forest. The trees are tall and ancient, their branches swaying gently in the wind. Sunlight peeks through the leaves, dappling the forest floor in patches of light and shadow. As we track along the forest floor, we hear the crunch of our footsteps over fallen, dried-out leaves. There's a gentle rustle in the bushes nearby, and for a moment we catch a glimpse of a shadow moving in the distance. As we approach, the shadow shifts and reveals a deer. It stands still for a moment, sniffing the air before bounding away into the underbrush. A low growl rumbles in the distance, vibrating in the air around us. The growl echoes through the stillness of the forest, sending a shiver down our spine. We turn slowly, searching for the source of the sound. As the growl grows louder, the trees begin to shake. Heavy thumps pound the ground, each impact vibrating up through our feet. Suddenly, a pair of glowing eyes emerges from the shadows between the trees. The eyes narrow, revealing a low snarl. A monstrous shape takes form, emerging from the darkness. The beast lets out a deafening roar, shaking the very foundations of the forest. With a final earth-shattering thump, it disappears back into the shadows. The silence is shattered by heavy rain and thunder. We find ourselves drenched and soaked, racing through the forest, our footsteps pounding on the muddy ground. Branches snap and crash to the ground, propelled by the wind. We leap over fallen logs and break through the underbrush, desperate to escape the relentless pursuit. The beast crashes through the undergrowth behind us, its heavy breathing echoing through the trees. Every step it takes sends tremors through the ground, urging us to run faster. With renewed determination, we surge forward, pushing ourselves beyond our limits. As we burst out of the forest, we see a wide expanse of land stretching before us, but there's no escape. The beast is upon us, blocking our way. Defeated, we collapse on the ground, bracing for the end. But it never comes. Looking back, we see the forest, now bathed in the soft glow of dawn. Sunlight filters through the clouds, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange. A lone bird whistles a joyful tune, perched on a branch above us. The forest seems to sigh, releasing the tension that has been gripping it. Small woodland creatures emerge from their hiding places, chirping and rustling. A family of rabbits hops across the clearing, their white tails bobbing. A squirrel scampers up a tree, gathering nuts for the day. All around us, life stirs, rejuvenated by the morning light. The sun climbs higher in the sky, casting long shadows across the land. The forest watches silently, its ancient wisdom unbroken. The gentle harp music returns, weaving its magic once more. The forest breathes, alive and thriving. And so the cycle continues, a timeless dance of light and shadow, stillness and movement, peace and turmoil. For the forest holds many secrets, and only those who listen closely can hear its ancient tales. And the music swells, carrying us away on a wave of sound. We feel the forest's heartbeat, a steady pulse that connects us to the rhythm of nature. It's a reminder that even in the darkest moments, hope endures, and the sun will always rise again. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the heart of the forest. May its magic touch your soul and inspire you to find beauty in every moment. Until next time, may the forest be with you.